Hi, today I'm showing off the Sofirn SC21 torch that I recently purchased from Amazon. This torch was $35 AUD delivered and included Prime free shipping. Key points to call out for the torch are that it is 1000 lumens brightness, it's USB-C rechargeable, it has a magnetic tail, it's IPX8 waterproof, which actually means it can be safely submerged in water up to 1 meter, which is fantastic. And as you can see from the video, it's about the size of your index finger. As you can see, I am doing a bit of a basic unboxing. Included in the package was a belt clip, a wrist strap, the torch itself, and that actually has the rechargeable battery included within the unit, and it actually came with a USB-A to USB-C cable as well. It did also have 2 spare O-rings, which are basically seals for the torch, and I assume those are to maintain the IPX8 waterproof rating over time. Now, when it comes to how it actually works, I've got to say here that I'm the furthest from a torch expert that you can find, but that's how I want to present this video, just some random dude's experience with the torch. I've only used it indoors for more intricate tasks, like PC building, which is perfect with the magnetic tail, cable management, wiring, and similar tasks, and it's absolutely perfect for this. But considering it's also IPX8 waterproof, I feel like this would be a great car companion torch, or just even in a camping kit. The Sofirn description on Amazon says 135 meters max distance. I have found from some night testing that it actually has a reasonably widespread. It's not as targeted or pointed as I thought it would be, so I doubt it would be very useful at that max distance. But you know, just for the I guess the layman comparison, if you point this thing in your backyard, it will light it up with absolute ease. I have done this video with a better microphone than last time, so hopefully it sounds a bit better. That's kind of all I have to say about the torch. Would I recommend it? Absolutely. It is not a completely budget buy, but if you want something that is solid construction, works well, is rechargeable, and apparently Sofirn themselves have decent aftermarket support, I would definitely buy this. Thanks for your time.